office.
What happens in the What happens in the prince's office? Do you get to marry your prince?
No, there's a princess office. There's not a prince, but there's a prince's office. And it's a guy that really gets upset at you.
Oh,
He
really?
talks to you.
Oh.
Really, it's a principal.
Oh.